Namaskar, Khusro Bitia. I am Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is somatosensory system. Somatosensory system. Somatosensory system is defined as a sensory system associated with different part of body. Sensation are of two types: somatic sensation and spatial sensation. Somatic sensations. Somatic sensations are the sensations arising from skin, muscle, tendon, and joints. These sensations have specific receptors which respond to a particular type of stimuli. Special sensations. Special sensations are the complex sensations for which the body has some specialized sense organ. These sensations are usually called special senses. Sensation of vision, hearing, taste, smell are the special sensations. This chapter deals with somatic sensations. Type of somatic sensation. Generally, somatic sensation are classified into three types: epicretic sensation, protopathic sensation, deep sensation. Epicretic sensation. Epicretic sensation are the mild or light sensation. Such sensations are perceived more accurately. Epicretic sensation are fine touch or tactile sensation, tactile localization, tactile discrimination, temperature sensation with finer range between 25 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Protopathic sensation. Protopathic sensation are the crude sensation. These sensations are primitive type of sensations. Protopathic sensations are pressure sensation, pain sensation, and temperature sensation with a wide range that is above 40 and below 25. Deep sensation. Deep sensation are sensation arising from deeper structure beneath the skin and visceral organ. Deep sensations are sensation of vibration or paresthesia, which is the combination of touch and pressure sensation. Kinesthetic sensation or kinesthesia, sensation of position and movement of different part of body. This sensation arises from the proprioceptor present in muscle, tendon, joint, and ligament. Proprioceptors are the receptor which give response. Synthetic senses. Synthetic sensation are the senses synthesized as cortical level by integration of impulse of basic sensation. Two or more basic sensations are combined in some of synthetic sense. Best example of synthetic sensations are vibratory sensation, stereognosis, and two-point discrimination. Sensory pathways. Now, nervous pathway of sensation are called sensory pathways. These pathways carry the impulse from receptor in different part of body to center in brain. Sensory pathway are of two types: pathway of somatosensory system and pathway of viscerosensory system. So in this diagram you can see sensation are two types: somatic and spatial. Somatic sensation divided into epicretic, protopathic, and deep sensation. Epicretic further divided into tactile sensation, tactile localization, tactile discrimination, temperature sensation with finer range. Protopathic sensation include pressure sensation, pain sensation, and temperature sensation with wider range. Deep sensations include vibratory, visceral sensation, kinesthetic sensation. And kinesthetic is further divided into two: conscious kinesthetic and subconscious kinesthetic sensation. Spatial sensations are divided into vision, hearing, taste, and smell. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.